episode of More Trailer Travels, we were showing you how we installed airbags into the coils to prevent the truck from dipping way down once we put the weight of the trailer on. And we start our descent. Now the whole point is to get this post, our power post, off the ground.
See, the ball's a little bit too far that way, so we have to move it this way just a little bit. So you pull the trailer a bit, just a bit, and you'll watch it engage. Okay, perfect. And then this guy slides in perfectly. Yep.
So next thing we're gonna do is these are sway bars. And this is a sway bar system. What's it called? This
one is called the
Blue
Ox.
Blue Ox. So these fall in like this. See that little pin there? It goes in like this. So far we got the chains done, we got the hook on, we got the sway bars, got the pin, got the power cable here. So this is our sway bar system, and we count the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So see how it goes in easy now because the weight is off the trailer. So you go like this, you grab your crank bar and you turn it in. It goes. And make sure that pin is engaged. Now you can see the wheel well was 38 inches.
Yeah.
Without any load. Now the wheel well, it was 38 inches. It's down about a ½ an inch.
Yeah. Perfect.
So that's pretty good.
So they definitely are worth it.
Okay. These are extended mirrors. We ordered them on Amazon. As they say, we'll put the link below. Like this. See these tabs, and they kind of just fall in, and it literally looks like your truck came with these mirrors. So if you see from the outside, totally smooth. Okay, so this is the full length of the coach. We've done a circle check, make sure all the jacks are up, stabilizers are all up. The jack's all done, which we told you all about. We've removed the chocks. Now the next thing we're going to do is hook up our backup camera.
Yep.
Which is always on. It's a different backup camera than what you would be used to like in your truck where you put it in reverse. Go here. Now that powers it. And then if you turn your lights on, because that's where we have it hooked up to, it should come on, and it did. So that's our backup camera.
Yep, so now what you always do is a safety check and make sure that all your rear view lights and brake lights are all working before you pull away. Right signal, yes.
Left signal.
Yes.
Brake.
Yep.
4 ways.
Perfect. One of the interesting things about these trailers is that the pivot is on the wheels, on the axle, not on the back of your trailer. One little quick tip, I'm a real freak on little critters getting in, so I like to put steel wool in all of my access areas while it's in storage.
We have the airbags in, which I've told you already, and we're on the road driving at about 70 kilometers an hour. Feels very good as compared to the way it was. Now we're getting on a highway. Okay, so that is 100 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, feels great.
It feels, yeah, like the steering is much more stable, tighter, smoother. I gotta say it's the airbags.
I think so.
So we'll put the links below to what we did. We took our truck back to where we bought it at Boyer Coburg Chrysler, Dodge, something like that. We'll put the links below, and their service department did a great job. They actually installed the airbags for us, and of course we bought the trailer itself at Campkins. We'll put a link for them as well. And okay, I think that's it.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye.